Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and today mag-unbox tayo and mag-hands-on ng isang Cherry Mobile smartphone, and it's the most requested yata na Cherry Mobile smartphone na gusto nilang i-unbox and i-hands-on ko sa comment section. The Cherry Mobile Flare S6 na ayaw na naman mag-focus. Focus na. 3. Yan, naka-focus na. So this is the Cherry Mobile Flare S6. This is an affordable smartphone ng Cherry Mobile, and as expected, wala pa siyang 5,000 pesos. It's only available for 4,000, and we got the red one, yung limited edition na konti lang yung binebenta. And thank you Cherry Mobile sa pagbigay sa amin ng Cherry Mobile Flare S6. So babasahin ko yung specifications dito sa monitor na hindi nyo nakikita. So meron tayong 5.2-inch HD IPS display, 1.3 GHz NT6737 quad-core processor. Medyo mababayaran natin, still at 2 gigs, but reasonable naman considering na ang smartphone na to ay nasa below 5,000 pesos na range. Meron tayong 16 gigs of internal storage, but don't worry, you can expand that using micro SD card. And then meron tayong 13 megapixel rear camera and also 13 megapixel front camera. So meron tayong fingerprint scanner dito sa smartphone na to, and since nasa S6 series tayo, meron tayong USB Type-C, which is a feature na nakikita natin sa whole S6 series yata na lineup. Not sure about S6 or lower. So alam ko, the S6 and up. So we have the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Selfie, Cherry Mobile Flare S6, the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Premium, and the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus. Lahat yon may USB Type-C. And lahat yon, yung unboxing nun, nasa YouTube channel ko. So manood kayo guys. So mag-subscribe kayo. So the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 is also running on Android Nougat 7.0. And again, it is priced at $3,999. So really affordable. Pangmasa siya. Habang inatay natin, i-unbox na natin and i-hands-on ang smartphone na to na sobrang re-request sa comment sections ko, tapos mamaya mumurahin nyo lang ako. So guys, tara, unbox na natin and i-hands-on si Cherry Mobile Flare S6. Mag-focus ka. Uy, ayaw mag-focus. Yan! Ganyan. Okay guys, so you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Flare S6, and ito yung unit natin is red because limited edition to, and then 5,000 units lang yung binenta na red na Flare S6 as far as I know. So tara, buksan na natin. So you already know the specifications of the smartphone, and yes, the Flare S6 series is, you know, ganito yung design niya mostly. Meron siya fingerprint scanner, and mas premium yung dating niya compared sa previous Flare generation na smartphones. Yung last year, alam ko, parang plastic or glass yata yung likod. Pero ito at least hindi na fingerprint smudgy, and you know, yung kanyang glass is, last year kasi naging problema is gasgasin. Pero this time, ito, iba na. So, ito yung Cherry Mobile Flare S6. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung kanyang build quality and also its design. So ito guys yung kanyang charger, and as expected hindi siya fast charging. So meron siyang output na 1,200 mAh at 5 volts. So hindi siya kasing bilis ng mas mga premium na Cherry Mobile smartphones. So loob, ito yung kanyang battery. So we got a 2,600 milliamps of battery. Not bad, much bigger compared dun sa mga other Cherry Mobile smartphones na na-review natin before. Isa sa mga malaking feature ng Cherry Mobile Flare S6 series is yung kanyang port. So this time, lahat ng nasa Flare S6 series, for Flare S6 pataas, gumagamit na ng USB Type-C. So with USB Type-C, reversible na siya, and also universal na port na siya. And siguro in the near future, parang lahat ng devices natin merong USB Type-C na port, and gagamit tayo ng USB Type-C na cable. So we don't have a VE Monk dito na earphones compared dun sa Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Plus or the Premium. Pero ito lang yung kanyang earphones. So the typical earphones na makikita nyo sa isang Cherry Mobile smartphone. Then of course, meron tayong kanyang mga user guides na most probably hindi nyo naman babasahin. Okay guys, so you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Flare S6. So ilagay na natin yung kanyang battery. Tanggalin natin yung screen protector, and buksan na natin kung ano bang meron dito sa smartphone na to. Okay guys, so you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Flare S6, and you already know the specifications. Sinabi ko na kanina, we got a 5.2-inch HD IPS display dito sa unahan, and as you can see here, hindi ganun kakapal yung bezel niya sa sides, and I really appreciate na ganun yung kanyang design. Pero syempre meron pa rin tayo dito sa baba and also sa taas. We don't have capacitive buttons, on-screen buttons, and instead we have a capacitive buttons, which is, by the way, ito ay isang home button, reset apps button and also the back button. So meron din tayong flash dito and also a front camera, which is by the way 13 megapixel na front camera, and then sa likod we don't have a dual lens camera as expected. The Cherry Mobile Flare S6 selfie doesn't have a dual camera. So the Flare S6 has a 13 megapixel Sony IMX135 na rear camera and of course a LED flash, and then sa ilalim niya obviously is the fingerprint scanner. So makikita nyo naman dito mukha siyang metallic yung kanyang design, and maganda actually yung design niya, yung pagka-metallic na design niya. And type ko talaga yung mga ganito sa mga cheap na, well not cheap but affordable smartphones like the Cherry Mobile Flare S6. Well, it adds, you know, yung sa looks niya, it might not feel like a metal pero you know, maganda pa rin siya tignan sa ibang tao. So pag may ano niya, ay wow, red, tapos makita mo parang shiny metal or something. Medyo attractive siya tingnan, medyo attractive din siya na gusto mo parang hawakan. Pero yun nga, pag hinawakan mo, it's plastic. There's a little bit of hollow feeling sa likod. Pero kasi dahil ito ay removable yung kanyang likod, and as you can see kanina, tinanggal natin yung kanyang, nilagay natin yung kanyang battery, and yes, removable yung kanyang battery, which is a 2600 milliamperes na battery. You also got here dual SIM card slot and also the micro SD card slot if kulang sa inyo is 16 gigs of internal storage. So, yung RAM niya is 2 gigs. It's not really that big, pero hindi ka naman mag-expect masyado sa smartphone na ganito yung presyo. And makikita niyo naman na okay naman yung kanyang design. So far, I really like yung design niya for an affordable smartphone like the Cherry Mobile Flare S6. Sa right, we got here the power button and also the volume rocker. Sa taas, you got the 3.5mm audio jack, and sa ilalim, USB Type-C along with the speaker grill. So, mas neat naman siya tignan. And ito yung ano niya, meron tayong fingerprint scanner, and enroll ko na kanina yung fingerprint ko. And as you can see, medyo may konting delay pero okay na rin siya. Tama lang yung bilis niya for its price. No, I wouldn't, magreklamo masyado. Hindi ko gagawin yun sa gantong presyo. It's only 4,000 pesos. Wala ka masyado irereklamo sa smartphone na to. Tapos, meron din siyang Cherry OS. So, it's running on Android 7 Nougat with Cherry OS. With Cherry OS, marami tayong mga additional na applications. Well, some of them, well, bloatwares. Pero yun nga, mas madali yung kanyang mga functionalities. So, sa mga first-time smartphone users, ma-appreciate nila to. Pero sa mga naghahanap, mas mabilis, less na applications na installed. So, mas hanap pa rin nila is yung stock Android. So, nakita nyo man, the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 with the Cherry OS, makikita nyo lahat nung isang swipe nyo lang pababa, the notifications. Of course, iba yung look niya compared sa previous Cherry Mobile smartphones na hindi nasa Flare S6 series. So, sa Cherry OS, we got yung mga applications na, it comes with the Cherry OS. So, may themes tayo, pwede nyo palitan. So, we can also update yung kanyang OS with system update. Hindi natin masisigurado kung ma-upgrade ba siya to Android 8 Oreo, pero yun nga, it's real nice na meron tayong nakikita na system update application dito. So, we also have here the quick tour sa mga hindi pa sanay sa quick touch. Yan, so sa mga gusto ng shortcuts. Yan, so easier customization and easier operation. I'm not really a fan of that, parang kasi sa iPhone lang yan yan, no? So, hindi naman ako mahilig sa ganyan. I mean, it's Android, so, marami namang pwedeng other applications. But if you want, yung pre-installed na yon. So, 360 security, yan. So, ito yung nakita ko, kung napanood nyo na before yung other Cherry Mobile smartphone na video ko, Cherry Mobile smartphones na videos ko before, meron tayo nito. And nakikita nyo naman, pwede nyo i-boost yung kanyang performance. So, lilinisin niya yung memory, magiging efficient yung battery, mas tatagal yung battery life ng Cherry Mobile Flare S6. And meron pa tayo ibang applications dito like yung avatar mode kung saan pwede kang magtago ng mga files and applications, and also use to Facebook na profile without knowing ng ibang tao bukod sa'yo. So, sa mga mahilig dyan magtago ng Facebook profile or ng mga photos, magandang bagay yon sa inyo. Alright, so meron pa tayo dito ng health na application. So, yan. Play phone, use apps, maximum usage time. So, makikita nyo yung parang usage nyo sa smartphone nyo. I mean, maganda to sa mga minomonitor yung kanilang usage ng smartphone. And sa parang sobra-sobra na paggamit ng smartphone. Sa may mga magulang na diyan na gusto ma-monitor yung paggamit ng smartphone ng mga anak nila, yun makikita niyo doon. Then of course, the movie club kung saan kayo makakapanood ng mga Cherry Mobile movie. No, not actually Cherry Mobile movies, but movies and also TV shows for free. So, you only kailangan niyo lang mag-register, and then pwede na kayong manood ng mga movies and also TV shows for free. So, meron tayo ngayon privacy, similar dun sa ginamit natin kanina, and also some other applications that you won't probably use. So, some of them are actually bloatwares, and the Cherry OS actually smooth naman dito. Makikita nyo naman. Pero ako, I prefer stock Android, but for some smartphone users na gusto lang talaga ng isang smartphone, gusto lang talaga ng Android, I think it's really nice na merong Cherry OS. So, nagbibuild sila na sarili nilang identity with Cherry OS. So, try natin yung camera nila. Again, this is an affordable smartphone. So, hindi tayo mag-expect masyado sa kanyang camera. So, yan. Meron pa nga tayo ditong bokeh mode. So, surprisingly, meron tayong bokeh mode dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S6. However, yung kanyang bokeh mode is actually radial. So, nakita na natin itong gantong mode before sa Cherry Mobile Flare P series na kung saan radial yung kanyang blurring. So, hindi talaga siya true bokeh. So, magmumukha lang siya parang bokeh dahil doon sa radial blurring. So, yan. May shot tayo dito and tignan natin. Yan. So, makikita nyo naman na hindi siya talaga tunay na bokeh. Makikita nyo na sala yung pagka-blurring with its bokeh mode. So, tingnan natin, meron tayong face cute na kung saan parang pwede kayo magdagdag ng mga stickers. So, yan. This is a selfie na, yan. Pwede kayo magdagdag ng mga ganyan stickers if you want. And nakakapag-recognize siya ng mukha. Yan. So, parang naka-Snapchat or Instagram. So, maganda siya tingnan. Ito, cute to ito sa One Piece. I forgot the name though. So, it's really interesting na may ganito na si Cherry Mobile. And sana ma-improve pa nila to. And in the future smartphone, sana mas maganda na, mas malinis, and mas walang problema pagdating sa Cherry OS. Pero syempre, ang gusto natin malaman is yung kanyang rear camera. So, try natin yung rear camera niya. Okay, so kumuha tayo ng ilang photos using the Cherry Mobile Flare S6. And as you can see here, yung keyboard, pinicturean ko kanina, it's better than I expected. Malaking improvement siya over the previous Cherry Mobile Flare S5 na smartphone pagdating sa camera quality. And makikita nyo naman na hindi siya sobrang ganda actually, pero malaking improvement over the previous generation. Again, this is an affordable smartphone. So, expect nyo na kung ano yung mabibili nyo sa presyo niya. So, ito another one. So, nag-picture ito may flash to eh. So, ito wala flash. So, makikita nyo naman dito na well, hindi perfect yung details niya, hindi perfect yung sharpness niya. May konting graininess, and meron siyang konting noise, but nakikita niyo naman na okay naman yung quality niya for its price. I wouldn't complain dun sa kanyang presyo. Well, it's not as good as the smartphones na nasa 8,000 range, nasa 7,000, but for its price, hindi na ako magre-reklamo. And okay naman siya actually. And I'm still happy na nakita ko yung 2,600 mAh sa battery dito kasi parang dati sa Cherry Mobile Flare na affordable na smartphone sa Flare series, normally mababa yung milliamps niya and hindi maganda yung kanyang battery life. Pero dito nag-expect ako na mas mataas. So malalaman natin pag na-review na natin ang smartphone na to. So I guess that's it sa ating unboxing and hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Flare S6. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, and also meron tayong group, the jamonline.ph official Facebook group. So harapin nyo lang sa Facebook and mag-join lang kayo, i-accept ko kayo doon. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching our unboxing and hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Flare S6.